Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to link Instagram to TikTok. Now first of all, open the TikTok account on your mobile phone. Once you open the TikTok, on the right side you will see the button called profile on the bottom right corner. Just let me just close this one, and just click on the profile button, and once you click on the profile button, so you will be inside your profile section. So like in front of your name, or you can say your profile picture, you can see this option called edit. Just click on this edit button, and once you click on this edit button, you will see multiple options like name, username, bio, and the link option as well. So just click on add links, and once you click on add link, as you can see, like I see the option to add the Instagram link or the YouTube link. So in our case, we are going to talk about the Instagram, so just click on add, and once you click on add, it will show you to log in with your Instagram account. So make sure to enter your username, password, click on login, and once you log in, you are done, and your Instagram will be automatically linked, or you can say added inside your TikTok account. So that is a simple and pretty easy process of how you can do that and link your Instagram and TikTok account and use it.